Alright, Mac, we better get this little jangly thing into the street.
How are we ever gonna win the hunt if we can't do it though?
We must try.
Here, step on my hand.
Do you guys need help?
Oh yes!
Yes, more than anything in the world.
I can do it.
Good Samaritan.
Uh-oh. I can't do it.
She's like a monkey or some sort of creature that climbs trees. Kind of a bad monkey. Thank you. Wow.
What's up? Now I'll tie it.
This is incredible. It's like a sloth. Like a faster.
Oh my. Oh, I found the pipe cleaner. I'll use that. Creative.
If only more people were like this one.
Oh, thank you for the compliment. I need it at this moment of weakness.
Mulan could do it, you could do it.
Oh, Mulan!
Who is that?
Huzzah! Huzzah!